Hello friends, today we will discuss about some important care tips and do's and don'ts about Coleus. It is one of my favorite plants which is so colorful and it's like a treat to watch, isn't it? Coleus is one of the easiest plants to grow and propagate. In fact, plant roots so easily that you can even start cuttings in a glass of water. Coleus plants have a wide range of color variations. The amount of light can have a dramatic impact on plant size and leaf color. For the best leaf color, a location that receives morning sun and dappled afternoon shade is preferred. These are thirsty plants, so we need to water them regularly. Container plants require more frequent watering than those grown in the garden. This plant prefers moist but well-drained soil. Before planting, amend the soil with the compost or the other organic material. Plants can be given a boost of liquid fertilizer mixed at half strength during their active growth in spring and summer. Pruning and pinching gives them more denser and compact growth, which will make them look spectacular. You can see how beautifully my Coleus has thrived by using these simple tricks. Let's propagate Coleus plant. Firstly, cut a long stem, then remove all the leaves from the lower half of the cutting. Now dip the end of the stem in a routine hormone compound, then plant it in a moist potting mix. I am using this routine hormone powder. You can also use honey or cinnamon. Place the cutting in a bright warm location until new roots develop, which will take 2 to 3 weeks. So that's it for today. See you. Happy gardening.